Hi guys, how's it going? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm talking about something important for everyone that owns a vehicle, the battery. And if you have some vehicles you don't always drive, like these two here, or that one right here that we all know, you have batteries in those cars and you park the vehicles over an extended period of time during the winter, and of course the battery can go low and can die, and that sucks. Nobody wants a battery that's dead. A car that doesn't start and then you can't get it started, it's a pain, especially for me here with the Mustang. Look how it's blocked in here. I pushed it in here on blocks on wheels. So what can we do? We can keep the battery in a good shape. This battery here is an older battery. It came with the car. Sorry, I can't talk. It came with the car in 2017. We're now 2024. So that's about the end of life for a battery, what they say. My battery still works, and so a couple alternatives that you have. You can put a battery tender on your battery. A battery tender is a little device that you hook up to the battery, and the battery tender detects when the voltage of the battery gets too low, and it then starts charging the battery, so the battery stays at the right charge. You can put on a trickle charger. Trickle charger is a little bit different. They're comparable but different. Trickle charger is like a little mini battery charger that you hook on to your battery, and it trickle charges the battery. That means it charges it really, really slow, which is good for the life of your battery. And of course, if you don't need to drive, it keeps your battery in a good shape. Trickle chargers also shut off when the battery is full. You know, they detect that and then they shut off. And so it always keeps the battery at the right charge. Then we have a battery maintainer, and a battery maintainer is what I have here. And this one here was a cheaper one from a car parts store, and let's see what it says on it. See, it says battery maintainer on it, and it shows you that the battery right now is charged. You know, it has another thing if the prongs are wrong, or an orange light when the battery is charging. So you can use this on cars, bicycles, ATVs, whatever you have. I bought this a couple years ago for this purpose, to hook it up to the car. And the battery maintainer also can stay on the battery for over a long period of time. Now, what's the difference between a battery maintainer and a trickle charger? It's quite simple. The battery maintainer charges faster. It charges faster than the trickle charger. So if you need the battery charged faster, you can put your battery maintainer on, and it charges it faster than a trickle charger. But of course, it's not as performant as a big battery charger, but still pretty good. And you can keep it on for a longer time, and your battery stays charged. Now, what do? I leave it on for a while now. I'll take it off and I'll put it on the Mercedes. I'll take it off and I put it on the Lincoln, you know. And in the meantime, I cover this guy here. And then in a couple of weeks, I do the same again. So my batteries always stay fully charged. Now, how do you hook it up? Very easy. Well, the light is not very good here. Okay, so first you take the red prong here. You clamp it on the plus of your battery, and then you take the minus, the black clamp, and you put it on a piece of body of your car, you know, a piece of some kind of ground that you find on your vehicle. Like this is perfect here, or you can use this one here too. You know, that's what is recommended to hook it up. And then you plug it in, and yeah, it starts charging, and it is already charged now. Normally you would see the yellow light flash for a while till it's fully charged. That's about it, guys. So if you have extra cars that spark a lot, spend the money. Spend it on a trickle charger, a battery tender, or a battery maintainer. All three will serve a great purpose. All a little bit different, but all serve a good purpose. So look them up, Google them, and find out what suits you best. Thanks for watching, and I wish you a wonderful day and Happy New Year.